Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 11. So all you have to do is go to the bottom left corner here, click on Start, go to the search box here and type in Update, and you can go here to check for updates, System Settings. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this window, Windows Update. All you have to do is the top here, you can click on the download now, and it's going to take a while to get to download all the entire file. Um, One thing I recommend is after it downloads and you install the update, just restart your computer for everything to be up to date. I hope this video was helpful. I just upgraded to Windows 11, so I just wanted to show an updated video. If the video was helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.